again here. I know it's been a miserable run here since, oh geez, wow, since way back here, since last year for Veracity, alright? Okay, now, I'm going to show you some stuff. I cannot control time. I cannot, I don't have a crystal ball. All I can do is show you these charts and show you what's happening with them, okay? But I absolutely 100% believe this thing is getting ready to move, okay? We're going to dig into that in just a second here. All right, I'm going to show you the crypto bubbles here. We got XLM ripping today. All right, XRP right behind it. Rest of the crypto market's starting to move here. All right, cost up 6.2%. Yeah, everything's starting to go. We got some RSIs resetting, and things are starting to move. Looks like Bitcoin, like I said, I cannot control time, but Bitcoin is looking absolutely perfect. We all know when Bitcoin moves, the whole market moves. All right, so real quick, going to show you Bitcoin. It's up $209 right now. Let's take a look at this thing real fast, okay? Obviously, uptrend. You take a trend line, put it on here, and you have an uptrend going here, okay? You got higher highs and higher lows coming in. All right, so obviously, as long as we stay on this line, this thing is in an uptrend. All right, we had this big rip up here, and it's gone sideways here ever since. This is on weekly, okay? If we zoom in here, what do we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks now. We've gone sideways in here between 31.5 and 29.5. Just bounces, consolidating, all right, going sideways. This thing's winding up, all right, hasn't broke down from there, nothing, all right. If we put a Fibonacci on here from that move, from the low to the high, we haven't even pulled back to a 618 down here, okay. So the Bitcoin's showing a lot of strength right now. If we look at the RSIs on the weekly, look at this thing, bullish, heading up 63 and a 60. Let's get this Fibonacci out of here. That's on the weekly. All right, we got the monthly heading up, okay? And I've gone through this before. If you have not seen it, the monthly, let me get this off here. There's only been 1, 2, 3, 4 times the monthly's gone to the top. The first time was the 2017 bull run, top. The 2019 retrace from the bull run, okay, top. 2021 bull run, top. This is the 2023 retrace. I believe Bitcoin's heading to 48, and we're going to get our retrace here. All right, so that means a lot of these coins are going to pop, and Bitcoin, I believe, is going to hit that 48, and then do run up here, hit that, come back down here, consolidate. Next spring we have our Bitcoin halving, and I believe next fall, October, September, October, November, same as last time. Right down here, you see July, August, September, October, November, December. Things really started ripping. I believe that's what we're going to do next year. We're going to have our bull run. We're going to have a retrace here, and things could get really crazy. Let me show you something really quick. All right, if you take a Fibonacci and put it on here, see what Bitcoin did last time. All right, look at where Bitcoin went up to, we'll call it this 3.618, okay, on the Fibonacci. All right, a lot of times I can show you ones that are absolutely perfect. Now if we take that and put that on top of Bitcoin now to see where Bitcoin could possibly head next bull run. All right, let's put a fib on here. We'll just rip it on here. Bottom we'll call right there. If even the 3.618, okay, you're looking at $250,000 Bitcoin. All right, up to 300 grand, 298. Even if we go in the middle, you're looking at 223,000. Bitcoin's going to go over 200 grand next bull run. Okay, it gets very close to the top of these Fibonacci's. I don't know, they just work out that way. I have no idea how, but they do. The total market cap of crypto hit it right on the dot. The total 2 without Bitcoin hit it right on the dot. Ethereum came very, very close to nailing it on the top. So these things work. Okay, I'll just show you real quick. ETH. and then we're going to get right back over there. But whoops, let me pull ETH up here real quick. I apologize. Cardano did it. All right, your older coins that have more, more data. Okay, look at what ADA did. The Fibonacci. If it had a target of $3.08, it hit about $3.09. All right, so even Cardano next time, if you hold ADA, what could you possibly be looking at? And we're gonna do this with Veracity in a second too. If you put a fib on top of this, where could ADA be heading to? If it look at this, if it does a full extension up to $15, call it even $11, $11 to $15. That's a pretty good margin from 32 cents. Especially after this big win with crypto right now. So things are looking really good, man. If you would, please hit the like and subscribe button. I'm going to show you ETH, and then we're going to get back to them charts here. But let's pull this back over there, and I want to show you how these fibs. All right, we're not using the blow off top there. Look at this. We went right up to the 3.618. Okay, right up to actually went a little past it, $4,800. Where could ETH go next time? Let's check it out. Take it from there to the bottom. Let's get an idea where Ethereum could go. A full extension would be $21,000. If it does a 3618 like it did last time, $18,000. It's a 9x. Is that possible? Absolutely, man. The money that's going to come in this market is just going to be absolutely insane. The 3618, 18 grand for the Ethereum. That's a 9x. The bigger ones like that, you're not going to get your, Bitcoin might do a 4x. Ethereum, you got about a 9x. You're not looking at them big numbers like the smaller coins. That they could really can get going crazy there. But let's take a look at Veracity. All right, and if you could, guys, please hit the like and subscribe, and also check this out. Got some merch now. Look at this stuff: crypto apparel. You got Aptos, Basic Attention, Bitcoin, Cardano, all kinds of stuff. Look at the t-shirts, all kinds of stuff. The link is in the description of the video, but you can go over there and you look at the Bitcoin shoes. Them are pretty cool, actually. All kinds of hats, t-shirts, all kinds of stuff. This is what they have: Aave, Aptos, Bitcoin, Cardano, Chainlink, Ergo, EOS, Dragon Chain, Dogecoin, Cosmos, Conceal Network, ETH, Vra, Handshake, Cospa, Komodo, Lookscare, Lending Block, and they are officially they're official partners. They're not they aren't some company that just goes off a whim. They're actually associated with these companies. Okay, they have they got partnerships with them, and I thank you very, very much. Yesterday, when you go down through here, Cospa community, join our affiliate, Cospa Cups, $16, but they are official, and this isn't true. I get 3%. Okay, they sent me. This is off my home page here. I get a 3% commission. It's the $240 yesterday. Thank you very, very much, whoever purchased. But the link in the description of the video, please click it. You can go over there, check the stuff out if you're interested. Helps me out. And I actually, I'm a small YouTuber, so I don't, I don't get a whole lot off YouTube. I made $5 yesterday on YouTube. Just being straight up honest with you guys, So every little bit helps me. And let's take a look here. All right, Veracity, next bull run. What could it do? Possibly. All right, if we put an extension on that. All right. Veracity, it'd be a full extension. 45 cents, even if it does a 3618, 38 cents. So not too bad from a 0.004. All right, that's the numbers that. Oh geez, I remember Gala being cheaper than that. I just real quick, I bought 250,000 Gala games for $37.77. All right, so very very cheap, and Gala games went to 84 cents. So that gives you an idea what can happen in this market. It can get absolutely insane. All right, so let's zoom in here. I showed you Bitcoin's about ready to move here. Let's get a look at this. You seen the breakout of the wedge. That's the big thing. All right, it's going to do what it wants to do. Just because it broke out, it doesn't care what you think or I think. It's going to go when it's ready to go. All right, so looks like a perfect back test here to me. The breakout was right there. Let me show you. The breakout officially happened from here, ran up. All right, came the whole way back down, back tested the breakout over here. So it looks to me like it's ready to start moving here. All right, let's look at the RSIs. You got the 12-hour on the floor. Beautiful. Well, let's look at the big ones first. The monthly's heading up. All right, that's perfect. The weekly heading up. All right, it's bearish right now. Once the daily starts moving, that'll flip real quick. You got your daily just about reset. It's at a 10 and a 14. In a few hours here, 4 hours, that should be at the bottom. It should be at all zeros. You got the 12, and you got green candles here too. Look at these. You know, you got green candles there. You got green candle on the daily. You got the 8-hour coming up on the floor. Beautiful. 4 hours getting to the top here, but you have the 8 on the floor, the 12 on the floor. The daily will be reset in a couple hours. The weekly bullish. And the monthly bullish. Okay, so what more you couldn't ask for more, really. You know, weekly as far as these moves go, look what happened last time, and this is a bear market move right there. Okay, I absolutely believe this is a one wave, 1 2 3 4 5. We're gonna have 5 waves up in this, I believe. You know, and even just to get to a retracement here for this thing for. You know, if Bitcoin does a retracement for Verasity would take this thing, let's see, it should go to the 702 Fibonacci or the 618. Alright, you'd be looking at 4.5 cents to 5 cents, alright, as a retracement. Alright, like I said, I believe this thing's doing a big 5 waves up here. Elliott waves. You got your 1, 2, your 3, probably 4, and then your 5th, wherever it heads up there. So it takes some time to work out. It's not going to happen overnight, you know. But I believe the third wave coming up, if this works, you know, it's not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Please do your own research. It's real money you're playing with. So, but this definitely looks like a 1. Okay, you have 5 waves inside here. You have 8 right here. You can see it. 2, 3, 4, 5. You got right there. Then you have, this plays out perfect. Then you have an A, B, C right there. Okay. Now you should have another 5 waves playing up in here. All right, and these should be 5 big waves in here. Your third wave should be your biggest one. If you go over here to Elliott waves. All right, we take a look at this thing. Whoops, sorry about that. Made it blue again. There we go. You can see in the chart here, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for your, and then you have that ABC. I showed you that 5 waves right at the beginning here, right here, 5, then an ABC. Okay, go back over here. All right, then you start your next set of 5 waves up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you have an ABC, then 5. This is all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you see it marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have just finished wave 1 and 2. Now we're working on 3 here. I believe that 100% believe that's what's going on here. So expect to move out of this thing. Can't tell you when. I wish I could. Believe me, I would be going over to MEXC. There's a link for that in the description of the video too. Please use it. I use MEXC every day, and I would be taking a long position on this thing. Not financial advice, guys, at all. But the you know, the risk to reward from here would be absolutely fantastic. On the weekly, this has held solid support at the 0.0045, and we're getting a nice bounce off of there. So I believe a bottom is in on this thing for sure. If we take a resistance line on here, you could draw one, I guess, right through here. That lines up there. We get a break out of that, this thing's really going to start going. So, alright guys, thank you very, very much. Please hit the like and subscribe. If you'd like to join the channel, it's in the description of the video. It's $2.99 a month. Every bit helps. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great night.